Okay, good morning, Kumars. Gawa tayo ng hot and sour soup. So I got chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth. Let's put ginger. Okay, lagay lang lagay. Then garlic. Let it boil. Okay, lagay natin yung mushroom. Bamboo shoot. Oh, yan ang pang-sabaw. Okay, Kumars, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Pakulay lang. Okay. Hot sauce or sriracha sauce. Depende kung gaano kaanghang ang gusto nyo. And then, suka, 2 tablespoons or kung gaano kaasim gusto nyo. Yan, huwag muna nating pakialaman. Okay. Okay. Lagay natin yung tokwa. Yung tokwa. Kasi hindi ko kasi malagay na yun. Ayan. So, just gently. Then, 2 eggs. Okay. Okay, let's put cornstarch. Hindi wala kasi doon. Palaputin na lang natin. Okay, then we're done. Ito na yung ating soup. Hot sour soup. Ayan. Thank you po, Mars. Yung ating hot and sour soup.